Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Eurostar booking platform. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Eurostar booking platform, a popular choice for train travel connecting the UK with France, Belgium, and the Netherlands. If you're considering booking train tickets for your European adventures, you'll find helpful links to the Eurostar platform in the description below. Eurostar caters to travelers who prioritize speed, comfort, and efficiency when journeying across Europe. Their high-speed rail network connects major European hubs like London, Paris, Brussels, and Amsterdam, providing a sustainable alternative to flying. Whether you're embarking on a short city break or a more extensive European exploration, Eurostar offers a convenient and hassle-free mode of transport between these vibrant destinations. Booking your trip through the Eurostar platform is remarkably straightforward. After specifying your departure and arrival cities, you'll encounter a user-friendly interface that allows you to refine your search based on preferred travel times, budget, and class of service. Eurostar offers three distinct travel classes: Standard, Standard Premier, and Business Premier. Each class provides a different level of comfort, service, and amenities. Standard Premier and Business Premier passengers enjoy perks such as more generous seating, complimentary meals, and access to exclusive lounges. Eurostar's ticket pricing is competitive, and they often offer flexible ticket options and discounts for booking in advance. A significant advantage of booking with Eurostar is the ease of accessing electronic tickets. Say goodbye to printing paper tickets or waiting in long queues. Simply scan your e-ticket directly from your mobile device for a seamless and expedited boarding experience. Beyond the booking process, the onboard experience with Eurostar is equally impressive. Trains are equipped with complimentary Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and conveniently located power outlets, making it easy to work or relax during your journey. Furthermore, the Eurostar app enhances your travel experience by providing real-time train information, booking management tools, and train tracking features, ensuring you stay informed every step of the way. If you're planning a European trip and seeking a dependable and environmentally conscious transportation option, Eurostar is an excellent choice. For more information and to book your next adventure, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.